Hello students, hope you all are fit and fine and using the time in a very constructive way. I also hope you all remember the first video of tenses where we discussed the meaning of tenses and its kind. So today we are going to talk about the division of tenses on the basis of work. But before that, let's recall the tense definition of tenses and its kind on the basis of time. So as we have discussed earlier, the tenses are those rules of grammar that gives you the answer of when and how much an action is done. According to the time, the tenses can be divided in three parts. First one is called the present tense, means the action which is being done in the present time. Second, the past tense, means the action spoken of was done in the past time, which was already done. And the third type, that is the future tense, which means the action spoken is to be done in the future time, means the work is to be done in the future time. So today we are going to discuss the four different kinds of tense on the basis of work. So the very first kind is called indefinite form. Indefinite form of verb means that shows a habitual action, means about which you are not sure, it is unfinished in all the tenses, in all the time, means in present, past or future. Means he writes a letter, it is in present, he wrote a letter, he will be write a letter. So these are some indefinite forms of tenses. The second is continuous form of tense, means the action which is in progress, which is in continuity, it is still going on. For example, I am teaching you right now. So this is in continuous form. He is writing a letter, he was writing a letter, he will be writing a letter, means the work is in progress, the work is in continuity in all the tense, in all the time. The third form is called the perfect form. Perfect means perfection, like Mr. Amir Khan, he is a perfect man, means the work is completely done, the action is completed. He has written a letter, he had written a letter, he will be have written a letter. So in this all the sentences, as you can see, that the work is already done, it is completed in all the three tenses. The next form is perfect continuous form, means it shows the action that started in the past at a given time and continuous up to the present or expected to be continued in the future. It means that these types of tenses or this form of tense shows that the action which has begun sometimes before is or was or will be still continued. One thing that you have to keep in mind, that these form of sentences require the use of for to show indefinite time or since for showing definite time. So this thing you have to keep it in your mind. So all four forms of tenses on the basis of work are indefinite form, continuous form, perfect form and perfect continuous form. As you can see here, that when these work and time combine together, we will get the three different kind of tense, that is present tense, past tense and the future tense. And all the three types of tenses have the four different forms: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous, past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. So using tenses in various time frames may appear complicated initially, but you can use these sentences correctly by keeping a few things in mind. Some permanent characteristics of event or people or things that happen regularly, habitually, or in single completed action using simple tenses are as follows.